much for making a place beautiful.
At least we tried. But we can't give up. We need to find a way to make this place look good again.
Yes, if we don't, the place will be ugly.
But what else can we do?
I don't know, but if we don't, no one will come play here again.
Guys, we need to fix this place up.
Painting it again is a waste of time.
Oh boy, what can we do to keep our environment beautiful? Maybe we should call Mr. Zippo. Yes, perhaps he can give us an idea.
Mr. Zippo! Mr. Zippo! Mr. Zippo!
Hey, VP Vopo!
Hi there.
Why do you all look so sad?
We are trying to think of ways that can make our area clean.
And by your area, you mean the environment?
Yes.
Well, there are so many natural ways of doing that.
Like?
I'm not going to make it easy for you. So I want you to try and figure it out all by yourself. And while you're doing that, I'm going to go back inside and bake you some nice cookies made from natural ingredients grown in Kenya. I know by the time you're all done, you will be all very hungry.